Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the trending sky doodle immersions effect using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. This effect will blend your photo with dense hand-drawn doodles, and it looks super dreamy, artistic, and perfect for maybe wallpapers. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just go to create image like this, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana, the feature that will let you edit or transform the photo by typing a prompt. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. Just choose one where your full outfit and poster are clearly visible, because this will help the doodle effect look clean and intentional. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. And then next, let's typing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. Like this, you can just copy the prompt, like just screenshot it, and then using Google Lens, just copy it and paste it to your prompt box. Or you can also tweak the prompt, like change the accessories, doodle names, and text to match your own styles. Like for example, you can change the name on here like this. And then next, I will just copy my prompt, go back to Gemini, and then I will just edit the prompt a little. For example like this, and then when you're done about the prompt, just simply tap on generate. Okay, like this, there you go. The sky doodle immersions effect is complete. Look at those doodle wrapping around your body, and then the dreamy sky, the bright color contrast. It looks so cute. It turns your photo into something straight out of an illustrated wallpaper like this. And okay, that's how you can make this trending doodle AI photo using Google Gemini. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.